Is Shiba Inu really the most hated crypto? Today we're going to be discussing all about that and much, much more. Welcome to That Kid Crypto, everyone. My name is Aaron, and today we're going to hop straight into this list provided by Cryptos R Us, aka George, and the list is the top 5 most hated on cryptos of 2021. And as you can see here, they have a Pepe slurping up all that good old copium. But let's talk about this. Right here are the 5 projects they claim to be the most hated projects in crypto. Ethereum, Zcash, XRP, Cardano, and Shiba Inu. Let's take a look what they have to say. Let's start off with Ethereum. That's at number 5. Starting things off, I think Ethereum has actually been one of the most hated on cryptocurrencies this year. Despite being a favorite among traders, ETH tends to be the catch on all recipient of altcoin hate in general from Bitcoin maximalists. And then they have the tweet from Max Kaiser, and if you haven't seen this video, well, it's a guy like sitting in the freezer aisle, and he's just living in there, and it says the birth of Ethereum. So, and then it says gas fees have been a major talking point for Ethereum. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I low-key might have been a part of this. I've probably said a couple mean tweets about Ethereum. I'm not a fan of the gas fees at all. Do I think Ethereum's bad? I own Ethereum, but do I think it's bad? No, I don't think it's bad at all. I think it's a great project, but they got a lot to figure out. Those gas fees are not it. Definitely not. And as it talks about here, proponents of alternate layer 1 platforms like Solana and Terra have made sure to rag on the original smart contracts, platforms absurdly high gas fees. And as you can see, it's just another tweet from somebody just, dragging Ethereum for the gas fees. And to be fair, I feel like they kind of deserve to be dragged, and I think it is a big problem. So I hate to say it, but they kind of deserve the shit they're getting. Anyways, and then it talks about Ethereum 2.0, and yeah, we never know when that's going to come out. But let's go to our next one. Our next crypto that is apparently the 4th most hated crypto is Zcash. And Zcash is next most hated crypto despite being around since the 2017 bull run. ZEC has gone basically flat ever since the 2018 bear market wiped out the crypto market as a boomer coin. A lot of the newcomers to the crypto space like to rag on these old coins that move at grandma's pace. However, we should note that grandma's pace in crypto just shows how disconnected crypto. That is very true, guys. You guys gotta understand. These crypto markets are extremely fast-paced compared to the traditional markets. I mean, like I said before, these type of gains you make in crypto, you can never make in, like, the bonds or, like, any traditional finance. It's really insane. Like, this is not normal. This is very new to the world in a way. Although Bitcoin was made in 2009, this whole crypto thing kind of caught on mainstream just 2021. So there's a lot of people new in the space, and yeah, I mean, and as you see here, Barry, the guy who runs, I'm pretty sure he runs, what is it called? The large digital asset manager, Grayscale, and he's talking about how he's going to buy a bunch of ZEC. Yeah, to be honest, I really don't know much about ZEC, so we're just going to move on to the next one. The next one's XRP. I think it's safe to say that the next coin on this list is rather self-evident. XRP has been the butt of the joke for a long time now in the crypto space, and I'm not going to lie to you again. I might be guilty of taking some shots at the XRP. I mean, really, I don't got a problem with XRP. Of course, I don't care about a crypto. Why would I get mad at a piece of code? But I think the real problem is the guys who are out here trying to say it's going to go to $100,000 in a week or some bullshit like that, and yeah, that's just not it. And once again, it probably talks about it, how XRP has just not been performing well. It's been performing pretty bad. It hasn't made an all-time high since 2018. It's stuck in a lawsuit, and the reason why I think it's hated so much is because the people who are just way too just insane. I know, I get it. They're at the end of the day, they're just clickbaiting, and it's just oh, XRP $1 million, and you get all the views. So I kind of get it, but at the end of the day, I don't know how I really feel about XRP. Do I think it's really gonna make it? We'll see. Our next crypto is Cardano. And as they say, as George and the boys say, Cardano definitely deserves a 2 spot on this list. And I'm going to be honest, it does. It deserves more, to be honest, it probably deserves more hate than XRP, despite appreciating by more than 7,000% since its bear market low price under 2 cents. The amount of Cardano haters being born this year seems to have also correlated with the 1-on-1 price appreciation. And it probably talks about it here, how ADA is not, oh my God, it's just, I made a TikTok, I made a short about it earlier today. You guys can go check it out. Charles revealed the Cardano roadmap and didn't say anything about getting smart contracts. And to be honest, it's just not it. I hold Cardano, but trust me, first chance I get, I'm selling it. Like, it's just so garbage. I can't. It's a joke. And look, take a look at this tweet from Pentoshi. He's like a popular TA guy. He says, "My best advice if you're starting a crypto project is to never ever deliver. Empty promises are the best FA. Look at XRP and ADA, over promise, undeliver, and never deliver. Then people always have something to look forward to. Deliver, stay away." That's pretty much the recipe. XRP and ADA, they juice and all their shills. It's pretty much just like, we're underperforming now, but this is going to happen. And it's just always like, this is going to happen. It's going to happen. And it never happens. And it's just like, it's an ongoing cycle of it never basically happens. And we're just waiting to see when it happens. And is it going to actually happen? Is XRP going to go to $30? Is Cardano going to go to $50? I don't know. I could see Cardano mooning. I don't know about XRP, to be honest. And then number 1, Shiba Inu. I find this kind of weird. I'm kind of surprised to put this as number 1. I thought it would be, for real, I thought it would be probably Cardano or XRP, but I guess it's Shiba. I want to see what they say. I think the one token that takes the cake for the most hated on crypto this year, though, is none other than the infamous Shiba Inu. Bitcoin maximalists spend their time, whatever, about the morality behind sound money. Crypto traders spend hundreds, if not thousands of hours digging deep into research to find the next origin. The name Shiba Inu, the meme token that the world took by storm by being a dog utility. That's really cute. I knew selling the one, use the scams, make change. I think it's, yeah, mainstream businesses like AMC have also taken notice of the meme token success. I mean, that's an absolute joke. I don't really know. Shiba Inu has a lot of dedicated holders, so I mean, has potential. Like, I'm not gonna say it's a dead project or any means, or it's gonna get killed in the bear market. I mean, if you have enough holders, then you're fine. But like AMC adding it for payment option, AMC is a completely dying business. They almost went out of business in 2020. So yeah, AMC is trying to do whatever they can to be relevant. And yeah, that's George and Cryptos R Us's top 10 list. Actually, I don't think it's George. I shouldn't be saying that. It's Brady Tinnen. Brady Tinnen's top 10 list. And for our next story, guys, we're going to be talking about Plan B's tweet he put out around 14 hours ago. He's talking about his stock to flow model again. And as we know, he's been catching a lot of heat lately. And here's what he has to say. He's once again defending his stock to flow model. He says, "I use models to protect myself from emotions. Right now, most people fear further decline of Bitcoin price and want to sell. But stock to flow model shows BTC is at the low end of 50K to 200K first band, a buy signal. Likewise, 200K will feel like BTC will rise forever, but stock to flow says sell." That's 150K. Like, yeah, I don't really know what to think about it. To be honest, I guess it's like still valid or whatever. I mean, Plan B is a genius. No, I'm not hating on Plan B. He's a genius, but I mean, 150K for a band. But hey, man, you got to keep your model valid, so you got to do whatever. Shout out Plan B though. I mean, Bitcoin stock to flow is a bullish chart, so, and we love the bulls. And for our next story, once again provided by Cryptos R Us, Robinhood launching beta crypto wallets in mid-January. They were talking about this on Twitter today. As you know, Robinhood, I don't really go on Robinhood, but they had like Dogecoin and stuff, but it wasn't really like crypto. You weren't actually owning the crypto and you couldn't move it off of Robinhood, but now they're going to actually make like, you can actually buy crypto and move it around and actually own the crypto. So I think that's really good because a lot of people do use Robinhood. I mean, Robinhood's absolutely huge. And yeah, I think this is a good step in the right direction. What they were doing before was absolute garbage. There was a lot of people buying stuff on Robinhood who didn't actually realize you never owned it. So I think it's a great thing they're doing this. And for our next story provided by CoinDesk, Binance to continue operating in Ontario after cooperating with Canadian regulations. The crypto exchange originally told its users in Canada's most popular province they would need to close their accounts by December 31st. As we know, Binance have been catching flack around the world. You know, a lot of stuff have been going on. People are coming, a bunch of regulators and people are just coming at CZ and everyone at Binance. So I think this is really, really bullish for Binance. I'm a big fan of BNB, and I think I might hold some. This is actually really dumb of me. I'm not quite too sure at the moment. I'm going to have to check one of my wallets to remember if I hold any BNB or not. I did hold at some at some point, but I really like BNB. I think it's the future and everything, but I just don't really like how the regulators and everybody is just coming down on them. But they should get it sorted out. I don't see anything wrong. I guess the regulators do, though. And now we're going to look at some Glassnode charts. We're going to be looking at the Bitcoin futures open interest on all exchanges. This has been popping in the last couple of days. As you can see, we had the big consolidation period. The open interest was very low and it started to rise, and now it's starting to go low again. And as you can see, Bitcoin's price is continuing to dump. This is on the 4-hour chart. Bitcoin has just continued to dump, and we're basically re-entering, you know, that big ol' let's go to the 1-day chart real quick. You can see we're entering that big old crab market again. You know, we wanted to go up, but unfortunately we did not go up. We did not go up. So yeah, as open interest lowers, that could be a sign, that kind of looks like a sign that we're going to be crabbing around a little more. And at the end of the day, it is what it is. You know, nobody can control the markets except Elon Musk. And yeah, guys, that's all we got for today's video. Make sure to subscribe for daily videos. And if you enjoyed this video today, make sure to slap the like button. It really helps. And leave a comment. I want to know, do you really think Shiba Inu is the most hated crypto?